Good morning. Thank you for joining us. Why did markets go up yesterday? And do you think the levels of 9,000 plus on the Nifty are sustainable? If yes, why? If not, why not?
Morning, Nikunj. I think yesterday pretty much it was only Reliance all the way because the deal is really a game changer of sorts. And I think that's the reason why the markets definitely celebrated that. Because apart from Reliance, there was nothing much that actually moved the needle yesterday. But what has happened now and what people have already digested, I think there is a lot of meat in Reliance for powering the rally further. But now we are also looking forward to the fiscal package that we've been talking about. I think the government will probably come up something on that. And I think the big thing that now we need to look at is when will the lockdown open, if at all, and how will be the restoration of normalcy happen. I think what market has clearly digested is that FY20 will pretty much be a flat earnings, and so would FY21. So pretty much 2 years earnings are something that we are not looking forward to. So the only thing that remains is that in case the restoration is good and we come back to normalcy earlier than what is right now being priced in, then maybe second half of FY21 may see some sort of a revival. And I think that is the surprise element. But apart from that, yesterday was pretty much a one stock show.
Will that one stock show continue? Do you think Reliance now has another 5, 7, 10% more to go? Is there more fuel left in the tank for Reliance?
Well, Nikunj, I think there is definitely some sort of ammunition buildup that one has seen in terms of how the monetization now looks like, because at least the Jio platform has ensured that the availability and affordability has driven the adoption. So in 3 years, you have a subscriber base of about 388 million. And coupled with the Facebook tie-up now, where you will be having access to almost a 400 million WhatsApp subscriber base, I think the whole combination and the ecosystem that will play out will give you a very good optionality, which will actually be a very daunting thing for most of the entrenched e-commerce players. Because today, if I'm visualizing a possibility of ordering something that I need from my regular Kirana store, so I'm basically taking out the entire fulfillment problem, I'm taking out the return problem, and with the WhatsApp payment, whenever it gets operationalized, I think the whole ecosystem will become seamless. So I think the way execution is definitely that's something we'll have to look at. But the way that we are looking at that Jio's EBITDA from currently about $3 billion is expected to double in the next 2 years. I think even in case you don't do that over the next 2, if it happens over the next 3, the scale of adoption from what Reliance has already done hitherto definitely gives a lot of promise for people to see the monetization opportunity now becoming more near term. So I think, yes, the stock definitely has enough steam for taking it further. Not to forget the net debt reduction, also the target that now becomes more visible, because you were not hearing the Aramco talks progressing at the speed at which the market would have liked. So I think it basically tackles two birds with one stone.